Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 in the morning every day to start my day.
Do you eat breakfast before school?
Yes, I always have toast and coffee for breakfast.
What's the first thing you when you wake up?
I brush my teeth and then take a quick shower to freshen up.
How many cups of coffee do you drink per day?
I only drink 1 cup of coffee in the morning.
What time do you start school?
I start school at 8 o'clock in the morning every morning.
Do you have many classes in a day?
Yes, I have 6 classes including math and science.
How do you usually get to school?
There are 5 people in my family.
What's your favorite subject at school?
I really enjoy art class. It's so much fun to be creative.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I read books every night before bedtime.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to paint and draw.
Where do you usually have lunch?
I have lunch at the cafeteria near my school.
Do you like to eat ice cream?
Yes, I love to eat ice cream.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Vanilla and chocolate.
Do you want to play tennis tomorrow?
Yes, I do. At what time?
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to classical music.
Why do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym to stay healthy and fit.
Where does your mother work?
She works at a hospital as a nurse.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza. It's my favorite.
Where do you live?
I live in the city, near the park.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Whiskers.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I'll watch TV in the evening.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Do you speak any other languages?
No, I only speak English.
Why do you like gardening?
I find it relaxing and enjoyable.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer because of the warm weather.
How often do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them every month.
What do you want for dinner?
I want spaghetti and meatballs.
When does your English class start?
It starts at 4 p.m.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling and exploring new places.
What's your favorite animal?
I love cats. They are so friendly.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing tennis.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually relax and spend time with family.
How often do you see your friends?
I see my friends every weekend.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Why do you like the beach?
I like the beach because of the ocean breeze.
When does school start?
The school term starts next week.
What's your dream job?
I dream of being a chef.
Do you know how to swim?
No, I don't know how to swim.
When do you wash your clothes?
I wash my clothes on Sundays.
What is the weather like here in spring?
It rains a lot here in spring.
What day is it today?
Today is Friday.
Does the museum open on Fridays?
No, the museum does not open on Fridays.
Where do you usually go on Sundays?
I usually go to the park on Sundays.
Do you like to watch horror movies?
No, I don't like this kind of film.
You have brothers or sisters?
I am the youngest of 3.
Are you a married individual?
Yes, I found my life partner.
Can you tell the time right now?
It's 9 in evening.
What's your birth year?
My birth year is 2000.
What's your day-to-day work?
I'm a graphic designer.
When does your work begin?
I commence work at 7:30 Alpha Mu.
What's your present job location?
I'm employed in Los Angeles.
Do you like buying new clothes?
Not really, I'm not into it.
What's the cost of your dress?
I spent $80 on it.
Can you tell me about your style?
I enjoy a chic and elegant style.
Have you eaten breakfast today?
I ate breakfast a while ago.
What's your lunchtime meal?
My lunch was a chicken dish.
Do you like sweet food?
No, I prefer savory foods.
Are you able to cook?
I can follow recipes easily.
Do you prefer homemade meals?
Absolutely, they're healthier and tastier.
Is there a drink you love?
Yes, I adore fresh orange juice.
What's your daily water intake?
I usually drink 2 liters daily.
Would you prepare coffee for me?
Of course, I can do that.
Where have you explored lately?
I recently explored a hidden waterfall.
Can you swim competently?
I'm proficient in basic swimming.
Did you sleep well last night?
I slept like a baby last night.
Are you up to something fun?
No, just the usual daily tasks.
What languages have you learned?
I've learned English and Russian.
Who is your current teacher?
Mrs. Davis is my teacher now.
How will you achieve it?
I'll work hard and stay focused.
Where do your parents live now?
My parents are based in Houston, Texas.
Do you use a motorbike?
I ride a motorbike for short trips.
Any special furniture items?
I own a unique antique bookshelf.
What will you wear to the party?
I plan to wear a stylish jumpsuit.
Are you active in sports?
Yes, I'm on a baseball team.
Will you be there for me?
You can count on me always.
Do you need to buy something?
I'm looking for a new phone.
Do you want to hang out?
Yes, when and where?
Is everything okay with you?
I'm a little stressed actually.
May I know your son's name?
He's called Daniel, just so you know.
When does the film kick off?
The movie begins in 30 minutes.
Do you attend a university?
Yes, I'm in my 2nd year.
What is so great about winter?
It's a time for making snowmen.
Which car model do you admire most?
The Audi A4 is quite appealing.